RzR 4-door. The client told me he needs a good wash because it's already been sold, and he's gonna give it to the new owner tomorrow. And I was like, yeah, got a spot open. And this one's not too bad dirty, but you know, it does need some good detailing, guys. Look, she took out the seats for me. It's a bit dusty here and there. Well, it's a lot of dusty, but this is how it looks, guys. What the hell? Come here. Stop. I got it, Luis. I got it. Yeah. I got it on video. Little bird. Let me in. What's your nest? Little nest.